Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lantz is a growing community located in East Hants, Nova Scotia, along the Shubenacadie River corridor between Halifax and Truro. Together with neighboring communities such as Elmsdale, Enfield, and Milford, Lantz forms part of one of the fastest growing regions in the province. The community has experienced significant residential development during recent decades as more people have chosen to settle outside Halifax while remaining within commuting distance of the city. Today, the population of Lantz is estimated to be several thousand residents and continues to grow each year. The history of the area stretches back thousands of years before European settlement. Indigenous Mi'kmaq communities lived throughout the region and used the rivers, lakes, and forests for transportation, fishing, hunting, and trade. The nearby Shubenacadie River served as an important travel route connecting communities across central Nova Scotia. The cultural and historical importance of these waterways remains evident throughout the region today. European settlement increased during the 18th and 19th centuries as families established farms along the fertile river valleys of Hants County. Agriculture became one of the most important industries in the area, with crops, livestock, and dairy farming supporting local communities for generations. Many of the open fields and rural landscapes surrounding Lantz still reflect this agricultural heritage. Transportation has played a major role in the development of Lantz. During the 19th century, improved roads and railway connections linked rural communities to larger markets throughout Nova Scotia. The arrival of rail service encouraged economic growth and helped connect residents to opportunities elsewhere in the province. The later construction of Highway 102 transformed the region even further by creating a direct transportation link between Halifax and central Nova Scotia. One of the most important historical industries in the area was gypsum mining. East Hants became known for its extensive gypsum deposits, which were extracted and shipped to markets throughout North America. The mining industry helped support local employment and contributed significantly to the development of nearby communities. While large-scale gypsum operations have declined, their influence remains an important part of local history. Lantz is perhaps best known today for its strong residential growth. As Halifax expanded and housing demand increased, many families began looking for communities that offered larger properties, modern developments, and access to nature while still allowing convenient commutes to the city. Lantz became one of the most attractive options in Nova Scotia for people seeking this balance between urban access and rural surroundings. The nearby Shubenacadie River system is one of the region's most important natural features. Influenced by the tides of the Bay of Fundy, the river creates unique environmental conditions and supports diverse wildlife habitats. The surrounding waterways have shaped settlement patterns, transportation routes, and recreational opportunities for centuries. Education and recreation are important parts of life in Lantz. The community is home to schools, sports facilities, parks, and community organizations that serve families throughout East Hants. The East Hants Sportsplex, located nearby, hosts recreational programs, sporting events, and community activities throughout the year. These facilities contribute to the quality of life that attracts many new residents to the area. Housing demand in Lantz has risen substantially over the past several years. The combination of strong population growth, proximity to Halifax, and desirable residential developments has contributed to increasing property values. Average house prices in Lantz generally range between $450,000 and $700,000, depending on the age, size, and location of the property. Newer homes in modern subdivisions often sell for even higher amounts. Today, Lantz represents one of Nova Scotia's fastest growing communities. Its combination of history, natural beauty, modern development, and convenient location continues to attract new residents from across the province and beyond. Visitors to Lantz experience a community where rural traditions, outdoor recreation, and contemporary growth come together along one of the most important transportation corridors in Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching!